Hello, today we're gonna discuss Codeforce's round 863 Division 3 Conveyor belts. You are given a conveyor matrix n into n, where n is even number, and the conveyor matrix consists of concentric ribbons moving clockwise. We are given 2 points and we have to calculate a minimum distance such that we have to spend a minimum amount of energy from point 1 to second point. Uh, so when energy is spent, energy is spent we go when we go through one concentric ribbon to another concentric ribbon, like from this point to this point. No energy is used, no energy is spent, but from this point to this point one energy is spent, from this point to this point two energies is spent. So let's take an example for n equal to 4, and we are given a 2 point for now 4 comma 4. This is one concentric ribbon, this is second concentric ribbon. For this point and this point, uh, this is one concentric ribbon, right? So we do not have to spend any energy, so the answer is 0. But when but for 3 comma 3 point and 1 comma 1 point, uh, we go from here to here, and then our distance is 1, minimum distance is 1, uh, and minimum number of uh, energy spent is 1, because we uh, broke down one concentric ribbon. So how can we calculate the distance? For this point we have to calculate from left side wall, right side wall, upper side wall and bottom side wall. For upper side wall it is 1 distance. From bottom side wall it is 4 from 4 distance. From left side wall it is 1 distance, and from right side wall it is 4 distance, right? And for this point and for this point it is 2 distance, and for this point it is 3 distance, right? And for this point it is 3 distance, and for this point it is 2 distance. For this point, what is the minimum? This is the minimum, 1, right? 1. And for this point, what is the minimum? 2 is minimum, right? 2 is minimum. So we have to uh, we have to uh, uh, subtract and take the ABS, absolute value. So 1 minus 2 and absolute value is 1. That's mean our minimum broken spiral, or we have to spend energy is 1. How? We can this we can go from this spiral, and then we can move through the spiral without moving or without losing any energy. So we have to broke down one spiral, so answer is 1. Let's see the code. Take n x1 2 point, then we pass x, y and n on x point, first point x, that's mean it is from upper side and bottom side means n minus upper side means x1 xi and plus 1, so this is 4, and from upper side this is 1. And also for uh, left and right side, right side it is y, that's mean 1, and this is n minus, of total length is n minus y plus 1, n minus y plus 1, that's mean it is also 4. So what is the minimum? This minimum is 1 and this minimum is 4, and for total minimum is 1, right? This returns 1, and for this, for 3 comma 3, it returns 2 from left side, right side, upper side and bottom side. Then we take the minimum, and lastly we take the ABS, and this is our final answer. Thank you.